Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a bakery business. My name is Mary and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start a bakery business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Bakeries are a popular type of food service establishment that allows you to express your culinary creativity while also serving a distinct market. Furthermore, people with non-culinary backgrounds can easily break into the industry by starting a home bakery. Opening a bakery presents a number of unique challenges that distinguish it from other types of businesses. Before you can begin planning and organizing your new bakery, you must first understand the various types of bakeries and the customers they serve. Bakeries are classified into two types, retail and wholesale. Although these two types of bakeries produce similar products, their needs and customer bases are very different. Retail bakeries are the most common type of bakery, and they sell baked goods and breads to customers directly. Retail bakeries come in a variety of shapes and sizes, with many specializing in a single type of baked good. They also require both front-of-house and back-of-house space. Here are some examples of retail bakeries. 1. Bakery cafe. A bakery cafe combines a bakery and a cafe, and they typically sell baked goods such as breads, pastries, cookies, and more, as well as coffee and tea. Customers can usually sit and eat in a bakery cafe's dining area. 2. Counter service. While counter service bakeries have a front of house, they do not typically have a dining area. Instead, they have a counter where customers can order freshly baked goods to take home with them. 3. Bakery food trucks. Rather than a traditional storefront, food truck bakeries sell their wares from a mobile truck. Due to limited space, many bakery food trucks do not bake in their trucks, instead opting to bake their products ahead of time in a commissary kitchen or at home. 4. Specialty bakeries. A specialty bakery specializes in a specific type of baked good, such as wedding cakes, cupcakes, or gluten-free items. This type of bakery can thrive because it provides customers with niche products that they cannot find elsewhere or that are superior to the products available at other, less specialized bakeries. 5. Home bakeries. This type of bakery is becoming more popular, especially because it does not require a lot of startup capital or culinary experience to get started. Home bakeries typically market their products online and then mail them out. Many home bakeries are also very specific, offering variations on a single type of baked good, such as cupcakes, cookies, or brownies. Wholesale bakeries are the other major type of bakery. Rather than selling directly to customers, wholesale bakeries sell to businesses such as grocery stores, restaurants, delis, and cafes. Wholesale bakeries are typically larger than retail bakeries because they must meet the demands of commercial customers. Furthermore, because wholesale bakeries do not serve a typical clientele, they do not require a front of house or to be located in a desirable, high-traffic area. However, because they must produce higher volumes of baked goods, wholesale bakeries require a large space and a large amount of baking equipment, resulting in higher startup costs. After you've decided on the type of bakery you want to open and the products you'll sell, you can get into the specifics of starting a bakery. Here are some basic steps to get you started. 1. Develop a business plan. Writing a bakery business plan should be the first step in starting your new business. The business plan is an essential component of starting a new restaurant because it outlines the type of business you want to open, how it will be structured, what products you will sell, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A bakery business plan is divided into 7 sections. 1. Executive summary. 2. Company overview and description. 3. Market analysis. 4. Business offerings. 5. Management plan and ownership structure. 6. Marketing and advertising strategy. 7. Financial projections. Your business plan is the foundation of your company, and a strong plan can help you get funding and make the process of opening a new bakery simple. 2. Obtain loans and venture capital. There are numerous costs to consider when starting a bakery, such as leasing a commercial space, obtaining insurance, outfitting your space with equipment, hiring and training a staff, stocking your kitchen, and paying for utilities. As a result, you'll need to have a substantial amount of money on hand to cover these expenses. Furthermore, it may take several months for your bakery to become profitable, so you'll need cash on hand to cover costs for several months after opening. You and your business partners are unlikely to be able to fund your new bakery on your own, so you will need to take out loans. Commercial loans, business lines of credit, and small business loans are the three most common ways for business owners to obtain funding. 1. Traditional commercial loan. A traditional commercial loan can be obtained from any major or local bank. This type of loan has lower interest rates and allows you to access large amounts of capital, but you must have a high credit score and may have to wait months to access the funds. 2. Business line of credit. A business line of credit works similarly to a credit card. You are granted permission to use up to a certain amount, but you are only charged for the amount used. Furthermore, as you pay off the balance, you will be able to access more credit. A line of credit, on the other hand, does not allow you to access as much money as other loan types and has a higher lending standard. 3. Small business loan. A small business loan, as defined by the Small Business Association, is a type of loan that aims to protect small businesses while also providing them with startup capital. Small business loans have lower interest rates and are available to people with bad credit. They do, however, necessitate collateral and may take longer to approve than other loan types. 3. Obtaining a commercial lease. You can begin looking for a commercial space for your bakery once you've secured funding. The type of commercial space you'll require will be determined by the type of bakery you plan to open. For example, if you want to start a food truck bakery, you'll need to buy a truck and may want to consider renting space in a commissary kitchen. Retail bakeries will want to look for a space with a front-of-house area in a central location close to their target demographic. Because wholesale bakeries sell to businesses rather than consumers, they can be located outside of the city center in less densely populated areas. However, regardless of the type of bakery you're opening, there are a few things to keep in mind when looking for a commercial space. 1. Demographics. Point 2. Accessibility. 3. Proximity to suppliers. Point 4. Competition. 5. Size and space requirements. 6. Health regulations and zoning. 7. Safety and crime rates. You can hire a lawyer to draft and negotiate a lease with the landlord once you've found a suitable location for your business. When negotiating a lease, make sure to specify the length of the lease, any rent increases that may be included, who will pay for any potential renovations, and any utilities that are covered. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a bakery business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.